ewo won sabonkum so ena wo firi achemata mo ena eba na wo fo tantra hill no so a ewo won sanifa so ya mentwa run about no aka kre bia mo du run about no so no won sanifa so hwa wo hye ya wo de hye ho no abon sampa 21st clinic nie ana sa wo temanso Roman Catholic asafo no anase Roman asafo no ne nchen hwa na wo kasoafo obom kwan so new market ye nie 21st clinic nie sa wo komase a ehwan overseas edan no a ye headquarters Sompa 93.1 FM wo mu no sa dan no a ene wom ena sunyane for original hospital first gate no ene ne din hwe ne mutachi manfo enya bayire nko na wo ho GN bank dandada no ehon so 21st clinic nkrabata ba ko ho enkranza mensewonom ehon na mikunu free ehon so se wuduru ho no a wo mo ben children's park no wo mo gire mu ankasa takwa ene Roman stores no edin hwe ne mu sa wo takra den so a efie kuma number 9 taxi station takra de wo mo bo adwuma 21st clinic ebi wo brekum goso oboase ene miyama bebre enti wodi an se wo be frɛ 0540311311 a common number a 0540311311 0540311311 yenko 0540 eraimo 311311 na eno ano na wa bro wa frɛ wo frɛ ya 21st clinic for be boana sa asiatica no aba akosia ye me ma mi bi osakosia ye se asiatica o meto ase mentini na me se ma me na wukuta pomai bra wo de ba 21st clinic ay be hye won tentam abasa ha so katente ama ho ato etiefi usisi efa wo to ase fa wo srem no wana ntu besi wo nanse no sa yare no se nya wo na ebubu a na ehawa na wunya excruciating pain na chese eye sciatica na wo ma bi wo mu yem wadwuma no eye 21st clinic enti frɛ wo maami bi wo papa bi wo nua bi wo dofo bi wo kunu wo yere oba bi na wo complain se na nsen wo transia na ne to ase ye ne ya na nsen ne sre achi wo no etutu no na nsen na nantu emu tutu no na nsen ne nanse entini no mu echi no eka ne dwea wo se wo mfrɛ 0540 311311 0540 311311 still 21st clinic womu ye sciatica expert womu ye sciatica originator womu ye sciatica pace setter womu ye sciatica commandant womu ye sciatica researcher womu ye sciatica alpha and omega the beginning and the end entibra na yentu yade na se ema apamda na yadwa munsom na
Ade ba ko a ye wo wiase ene sa obesika atere wadwuma mu anasa oniema begu pot na wonya sika mfa nkoyie na adane wadwendwen eno nti na wo se wonya sika kwa bia obeboa mu wadwuma na atu mpon Jabinira Bank PLC ene wani daso yen asampa loan e wo homa wona wo pebesia I import won niema ana auto parts eniema woduo bia e ma motontuma ana entade sa akwanye wo homa obi bia se obeba Jabinira Bank na oni abehwehwe nkomo na yen asampa loan ne de yenyi collateral yenyi commitment fee dey wo hia your application letter ye begina so dana e de loan ama wo interest rate na ekituwa bi obapa loan scheme e ho ma emergency for maka mo ho abom se ekuo na mo recognized institutions na mo bese modwuma enyini kwostro e no ne qualify mo ma motum baji loan na make I will say interest rate na ekituwa bi ya wo savings account current account microfinance shares susu dachinti investment group loan fixed deposit and de kika ho Jabinira Bank PLC yen head office for Asante Dwabe yen other branches ni bi so e wo so Roman Hill, Adesheman, Pankrono, Magazine Road, Abuaso, Fumesha, Onye, Sipetimpom, Bonye, Jabe. Any ye new officer ye bien no at Onsu Market. Ebe Kumasi High School Junction. Friend 0271 409340 and 0544 745856.
Jabinira Bank PLC, among the best.
It's admission time for the 2025-2026 academic year, and St. Andrew Senior High School is calling on all those who want to rewrite your WASSCE. If you failed one subject, 2 subjects, or even more, St. Andrew Senior High School is the right place for you. If you want to better your grades and finally get the results you've been working for, come to St. Andrew Senior High School. This year, every student passed with straight A's, 100% success, 0 failures, and you can be next. Over the years, St. Andrew Senior High School has been the #1 best private school in Ghana with excellent teaching staff and ultra-modern facilities that provide students with perfect environment for studies. We also provide comfortable and secure boarding facility to make your study experience even better. And here at St. Andrews, students never fail. So hurry and enroll now. At St. Andrews Senior High School, we say perseverance is to success.
Back back on business. I'll pay. We are back. The fast that when you coupon. Sir, one be a quenya say and some I'll pay so. Now, if you did it at 93.1 is the best place. So also, I now share live on TV. It's the best place to be. So also that was social media on Facebook, Sompa 93.1. And also, you are blessed to be part of the family. I'll pay after that say. Yari after that, my coupon, Nini Mobro, when in a dome, then a door so that so bomaye. And I see a wukwada, Kwakuri a queerful. I'll pay a happy soul day. Say I'm sure they don't dominate Mobro Humamo. I'll pay a say I'm sure they don't doma. I craig it out, what I'll tell you that. You know, more yet, lent so. It said I'm sure that who are ding Yokodro Susum at the mamu. Sa also the Mamu Ramadan. You say I'm sure no dominate Mobro and Yokodro Susum at the mamu. And then Wukoi, you say I'm say. Dread Yahoo various market days, and the water of Bejoba Babato at home. Yes, sir, say, O man the domino, and no so money ma. About the Bopro Huno, and also by the ma. Na ya quanti pojira so, or Akasa so and no moyen. Arabet to what I say. Ambulance. And also so any patients echo. Na oha it says that Kumase Ashanti Bono stretch no. Na echo sada kai Akosia Ford Transit bio. Yes, jai. The pabe do sia die. Anya sem kitwa. Be say am so die wa fofi no ma. The more we plead the blood of Christ on all our roads. Say I'm so many more than 2 minutes, and I'm Yakwa so my yen. I'll pay away a mobile. Now, if you call a various destination on some fire, assume Jim. Yes, sir, so on Kanya. Mobile wage and Kanya one of pay. No matter any more in year. And a special day, yes, and a very, very special day. And they are very, 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 very special to the special day. If say and that da a torso a 9 hour bosumia a yamiensa emu. And then Udru Sompa Kumasia 93.1. Yendria Yajira Kwame Chako. A Jako Yadom and so no pay or did a birthday. Barbara and he cake no Yahoo Juba. I don't pay Yakwa brought team agenda woman. Agenda woman, you have ever did birthday. And he Bomodia neye because one year. A dibe ya pa nyame boa ontimi ka weekends go weekends there yenim dada say a holiday enti anopa ya agenda woman ya kwa abroad ma odua baba Kwame Janko and birthday ti yana ke kabom say ya ho ana ka brand jollof ba say there is all yana via MOMO ada the best one telecell cash. I don't know, Libi, or the Tumwa, a dumb kama. They said, Telecell cash and see the baby abenya, tea and fast. Both sides in our jet. There kick a boom, wa, catch a contanso. That's also Ara, Udrum Kraya. And cry so. I don't say I need some papa. I cry so I need some. I cry so. Ba me akoso ago anso so edina woda ti akodi ni dia wo ha no ba me akoso ago so didi woda ti checheku monke kambo mu ho nkran ho de ba me akoso abenya bia ro de ni dua na edie ka che o ba me ka che obatampa ka che no Sir, did you a Jakusu did it? Tene, a enkrenkuma sa na birthday no, a gumsa. There's a match for gum. Also, oh, so I'll buy a terrace about some. Now I said about quarter sports for about 7. Exactly 7:30 we'll be back and I'll pay. The man to Tomua. Yane rent control for bedi komo. O say we kwada dia monfanto so kan wo haw. Aha we kwada de ade akye bia no sesa. Ade akye bia na mu. Na fe ye kan ya manne ye montene ensama wo hodom na ye kan. Dam ya dom one you can testify to it. You can attest to the fact say wayo birthday boy wayo. You can attest to the fact say ani bebre amode suma yen mia bebre enya resource amamo. Na onim say last week I had na me ne mu so say ekwa mu fa so dum kade an mente ase. Me catch you say na me ho tete me. Cause who adwuma di ayada wonhu because I no the other means they making sure say be self throughout. But me question fake akra na mu say say mo bre wo fie. Bo money other avenues other resources no mo bre. Ti last week the na ya sam kitu akra. What them say CG for the PRC for meeting. Or the European was tough for her with the bema. Yaba sobo. Yaba di come for rent ho. And I rent penny pa Ghana henyina. Penny pa no. If you to mama me ba. Na ya na di komo afa rent ho. Ya dan ho nsam. Okọ hanya mra ne sesei. Di akra nti na ndwoma nya adwuma. Yara mranya onum se mrani ha. Mrani nya wa na abehu. Mrani nya wa ana abehu. And I'll pay a bit of pa. But I'll pay before Ambapa ne Orlando Babano. Let me tell you this. Maybe ya won't see a beshay whom crying. Yet, if you ask one show whom crobian or beshay whom crying. And to be crowd or Mutiwa, Debbie, I must say, a summer metatu or mlanche and other pa. Oh, a befa. Oh, a befa. Befa. It is good message, is good motivation. Yapa. So be show who crack catch on say befa. As one of the powerful words you can tell yourself. Se nipa bebre nya sansem fuai kachira won ho a. No kwase ba wom ni say. Akasa akofoi ka bebre an show mu akofo ebi ani om ho awu. Bia koma no aduru se bebre nya sansemfo e ka chon se befa bara pai how to tell you say e befa ne nko a enye enough a befa should come with action what shall one cry say ade we e befa oh BBF bibia be fine and panso bibia be fine and panso bibia enye fine enya mamienu say be fine say enye fine ejina wa so alopay say be fine say enye fine ejina wa so etultimi kan chon say bibia be fine ultimi kan chon say be fa wa bra wontu ho anamon. They say action speaks louder than words. Words alone is not enough. Words alone are not enough. I don't pay the enough. They say, Odi oyo ebeka ho. And I'm on to a banner to a fair befan. Before because the situation that you are in is not good. And no man who won't know anything I will catch on who say a befa. Now the question me woman here. Ebefa no say to one or more about be slogans. That is why obaya ye womu no. Emra bia ye politicians ne ba. Bosha no mo hye say you know. Bo batata so say set pancake no. na so obedra ba mu wi a na oyo no akachiri was the Lord not enough kasa ne kwa get enough ebefa no de waka bibia be fine no waka, and that is a powerful message. It resounds that it resonates with your soul, your spirit, and everything within you. Idea ema hon kenya ne ho ema wo kra sorry na mo say wo kra ne sorry o ni peja. It is not enough. It is only enough when you add action. Ewie payo wa bra ode oye ade adwumaden aka aropay ebefa catch on say ebefa. Tell your soul it as well. Catch on say bibia be fine. Na wo wia to ho anamo enso kam. Eno ne bem na wi payo. Aropay, we have a lot to talk about. My catch on say ene ye o how no any same my ntie da adwuma be ya fa ho no ebi wa kura da e bedru office ne mpanyfo na te. It looks like that is the encouragement I want. Say offices no bebre no ya no mutie pa so bedru that response na sha se kakra ebe arapoto fo Jacob na sumje abra sumje nyina so enkan ho. May the peace of our Lord Jesus passes all understanding be with us this morning. We say assalamu alaikum wa alaikum salam. It is Wednesday morning. Ene eyu kwada eba ayawa so east about to the kwawie baba jama fa ensembe ne free obade do no so aka ni nyina yewo wa ha na panyimpa bi so akwakoto rupe fefefe bombardier global 6500 sa ne frɛ no and now 58 million no de aba kroma no say ne de dada no enye de akoto na emi de ne de dada no o de magana say emergency ambulance yemfa mo bi a wanya emergency yemfa mfefo mu. Oh, this is powerful. Mekoba ebedi nkomo Sam Radio Orlando are ready, and Papa is ready to serve us the biggest and the best tip off da ye jinam gidi arape Kwame Nkwantabisa birthday jinam sa Barbara asu jinam gidi say yen somo ya frem na Kwame o su Nkwantabisa na Nkwantabisa ni ya mishaw.